my name is Angel. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and I'm going to be taking you on a walk with PixelLab. At this point, many of us, when we open PixelLab, we don't know what to do. We don't know how to navigate it. So I'm going to be telling you how to do it. So we're starting with this text, the A. I can see the arrow on the A. That's where we're going to start from. It's usually for the text, like writing new text. You can see the parts where it's labeled new text. Okay, now you can see where I'm scrolling through the fall theme. These are backgrounds, pixel backgrounds, though you can have your own background, but these are pixel already made backgrounds for you. Yeah, so let's use the font, the one saying on green and white. So now if you want to write a new text, you tap on new text. Like if you want to write something, write the word on PixelLab. You want to start designing, you're going to write words, definitely. So you tap on the new text you see there. When you tap on it, to take it to this place. Then you erase it. Then write whatever you want to write. Or you can go to this place. There's another place you can use to write a word on PixelLab, which is this one with the pencil. This icon with the pencil. You can see that, right? Okay. Or you use this new text. That's the two ways you can use to write text. So let's continue. I'm Angel. Okay. If you want to make your text capitalized, you just need to tap on the T. It will make everything capitalized, or you want it to be in a small letter. Alright. You see where I'm tapping to make my text bigger or smaller. Delete, copy. So if you want to delete, you want to copy whatever you just wrote, those are the two places you can tap. Here you move your text. If you don't want to use, you can actually use your finger, tap on the text and move it to whichever part you want to move it. But still you want it to be more neater, clear, that's it. So yeah, for increasing size, this is for padding your text, the left part, the right part, whichever. Now let's go to colors. We have so many colors on PixelLab. You want to use any color is there. While you go to gradient, you can also use gradients as well. I love making my gradients colors. Like it's always fun on PixelLab. So you can tap on the plus icon to make your own gradient. And if you want to use PixelLab gradient, sure you can as well. Now let's go to texture. Texture is how you want your text to look like. For example, I'm not gonna be using the texture. You can tap on the texture, pick an image, then the image is the way your text is gonna look like. Opacity is for increase, reduce and increase, whichever way you want it. I guess you know what opacity is for now. Furthermore, this is for rotating it every angle. This is max. I'm gonna come back to max skin. So we'll not work in this maxing right now, but I guess I'll come back to maxing. So let's move forward to fonts. PixelLab has so many fonts you can use. You can choose to use whichever font you want. Though you can actually download your own font, your preferred font, and import it to PixelLab and use it. Yeah, it's for building the style, making it bold, italics, underlining. Yeah. Align. Let me make you understand what I'm saying. Angel is a graphic designer. So where did I say we're going to align, right? So it's either this way, you can see the way it's straight on the left hand side, and you want it to be this way, the middle one, then to this other side. I guess you understand what I'm talking about right now. So that's what your align is for. Okay. Now to spacing, you can either space it in letters or in words. Let's try spacing in letters. You just need to tap the plus icon, keep tapping it, or just use your hand to increase it. So the letters, you can see the letters are the ones spaced. Then if you go to words, you can see now is the words that are the ones spaced. Let's continue. Now talking of line spacing, just have to give it space between each line. That's it. And to stroke, just watch it, just like an outline on your text. The text outline, that's what it's just like. You can either increase the stroke or reduce it. You can as well color your stroke to whichever color you like. This is shadow. I guess you know what shadow is. That's really shadow to text. That's just it. Darker or lighter is there. So have to increase or decrease. Inner shadow is well the same. And we go to emboss. You can see what emboss is like now, making your text look rounded. Making your text look rounded. That is what emboss is working for. You can either reduce the ambient light or increase it, specular hardness. Then let's go to the bevel. The bevel is where you make your text look very rounded or normal. That's it. You can see I put my bevel to 100 and you can see the way my text looks like. I guess you should try it out for you to be able to understand what I'm saying. All this I'm saying, if you don't try it out to see, you will not get to use it well. Perspective, I guess you know what perspective means. This is what perspective is just for. Get to learn how to work on all this perfectly, then good to go. But you should try it out. Every single thing I did, you should try it out for you to get better. I'm just showing you basics. There are more to it. 3D rotate is for rotating and rotating your text. 3D text, making your text to be in 3D. You can increase the depth, the color of the depth. You can change the color, whatever color gradient. You can darken. You can whatever you want to do is there. Just keep trying. Get to do it better. Reflecting your image. You know, all these are really nice in design. The way you get to use it perfectly well on your design will be top notch. Alright, like I said, I was going to come back to mask. So this is it, mask. Let me just show you the basic way of using this mask. You can see this semicircle, whatever, on it, right? In, out. It's either you are cutting your text in or you are cutting your text out. So now when you tap on this, you see Bezier mode, and this arrowed icon is for moving your Bezier wherever you want to cut it. You just have to put it in that position first before cutting, to avoid making mistakes, to avoid cutting the wrong parts. So when you move where you want to cut, see, you can see what I'm doing. If I did not move it before cutting, it will start cutting on its own. So learn to put it on that mode before you start cutting. You can see now I just want to crop out the graphic designer alone. Lord, I love the rhythm of your heart. Whoa, you can see there's something up there. I want to cut it now, so I have to go to my max back. Yeah, I have to go back to my max to cut it out, and it is done. Now I have just graphic designer. You can see I've cut out the angel is a, and if I actually want that angel is to go back, it's possible. Bring back the angel to the graphic designer. What you just need to do is tap on the graphic designer, you get to see a square, then you press copy. I guess you know where copy is, right? Just navigate through it, you get to see it. Then when you press copy, you go back to the maxing, you will see a max mode. Then you press in. Yes, in. When you press in, instead of the graphic designer to come out, it will be angel is a. You can see what I just did. Please try it out for you to know what I'm talking about, for you to understand what I'm talking about. Then you can as well change the color of this one. You see the fun of masking. You can just mix colors, whatever.